Hey, what's up guys? Zach here from Kura Home. So today we're going to be showing you how to clean out your washing machine filter. So what you want to start out with is get something underneath so that you can drain the water out of the little plug that's to the left-hand side. Usually these filters are on the bottom left-hand corner of your washer. Usually, sometimes not all of them have them, but as you can see here in this one, it looks like there's sand and other stuff coming out. This is something that you want to do every 3 months. And then to the right hand side of this tube, there's the actual washing machine filter. And after this is all drained out, we're going to take a look at that, see what's inside, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.